G'day legends, doing a lunchtime special. I'm doing healthy Big Macs. Yes, you heard it here. And we're using low carb wraps. You can use this in normal white mini maps. So we're using, just to prepare, I've got my mayonnaise left over. Just putting in some sandwich pickles, about 1 teaspoon. Just going to mix our sandwich relish into there. I'm going to add pepper.
So that's your homemade mayonnaise?
Yep, homemade mayonnaise.
Which is on our
recipe. On our recipe list. Just a little bit of salt. And that's our dressing. That's pretty much a Big Mac dressing. Believe it when you taste it. You'll go, it's a Big Mac. So I'm just going to weigh how much meat I put on here. So about 125 grams for that smaller wrap. I'm just going to squeeze it all out onto there. Daisy doesn't like her onion raw. I do, so I'm going to put the onion on first, and I'll put my onion on second. Okay, so we're going to do the test. Yep, we got bubbles. Okay, I'm just going to turn that heat down to about a medium. Not too hot. Quick spray. And we're just going to throw our... This stainless steel, we don't want to move. Always put it on.
And leave it.
And leave it. Yeah. If you haven't used stainless steel before, it is a little bit difficult just at the start. But once you get used to it, I'm really starting to style with it now. Okay, so that's been a minute now. I'm just going to run our spatula around it.
Not a minute, Scott. It's been more than a minute.
You don't understand time. Flip her over.
Beautiful.
Cheese on top. And we have a lid. Oh, just help the cheese melt. Okay, so that wrapping brown nicely. Transfer back to our plate.
And on goes the sauce.
Do the same without some lettuce on a Big Mac.
There you go. The cheats version, the skinny version of a Big Mac without all the McDonald's shit they put in a burger.
It really tastes like a Big Mac. You would not believe how good this is.